This is a box opening video for the X-Pac 3 by, I believe, ATTOP drones. So we're gonna see how this thing looks. It comes with a charger set right here, and it comes with the radio and the drone right here. And we're gonna put this thing together and test it out. One of the features of this drone is an onboard camera, and I'm going to zoom in on the tablet screen over there. As you can see, there's an image on the tablet screen, and I'm going to move the drone around by hand. I'm going to point the drone on my computer screen. Right there, you can see that it's showing my computer screen playing Second Life at the moment. I'm going to move it around the room. You're going to see the wall, and you're going to see it looking, trying to look at the tablet itself. I'm sorry if it's a bit dark, but let me see if we can see the box in front of it. Yep, it can now see the box in front of it. So it's moving slowly across the box as I'm physically moving it. So we're going to take this out for a test flight when I have the opportunity to do so. As you saw in that video, the video quality wasn't that good, so here's my review of this drone. It is a good beginner's drone for flight training, but for video or photography, not really good. If you want a good camera drone, you're gonna have to spend at least $300 to $400 starting range.